Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Now, upon reading this word problem, you can see it has a fraction and a whole number. But what operation do we use to solve it? Let's get into it right now.
It's like every day.
So let's read our word problem for this week. Jack puts 1/3 pound of birdseed into his bird feeder every time he fills it. Question: how many times can Jack fill his bird feeder with 4 pounds of birdseed? Is it A, 1 1/3, B, 3 2/3, C, 11, or D, 12? Let's see how to actually work this out, even though you may know the answer already. Let's see how do we get there to the answer. So because it says how many times can he fill his bird feeder with 4 pounds, that means how many thirds, right? How many thirds does he need to put in to fill it with 4 pounds of birdseed? How many times can he do this? So the easiest way to work this out would be the 4 pounds divided by, and you're dividing because you want to know how many times can a third go into 4 pounds, right? So you divide that by a third. So knowing our knowledge of division of fractions, we're going to use the keep, change, flip method. There's two ways. Let me show you two ways. I'll show you the keep, change, flip method first. A whole number, to make it a fraction, you divide it or put it over 1 to keep the same value, right? So 4 divided by 1/3. When we're using the keep, change, flip method, you keep the first fraction, you change the division to a multiplication, and then you flip or reciprocate the last fraction. So 4, if we actually put that in, so it would be 4 times, let's put that over 1 just to keep it within fraction value. So 4 over 1 times, and then you flip this last fraction here, right? So now you can see that when you multiply across, 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. 12 over 1 is actually 12. It's the same value, right? Because 1 goes into 12 times. So the answer is, in fact, 12. How did you do there? But let me give you a second strategy. Let me set the question up again. I'm going to put 4 over 1 because that keeps the fraction value, divided by 1 over 3. And the second strategy is just to simply cross multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1, right? And that would still give you, like I said before, the 12, because 1 goes into 12 times. So that's the same value as D. So which one of those two strategies did you prefer to solve it? Let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe with that notification bell so you know every time I upload, which is every Wednesday. And I will see you next time in another math video. Thank you for watching. Class dismissed.